we are okay. Thank you.
You took one, right?
I took one also, yeah. But,
So I'm making my dream come true today. We're gonna see elephants. We're gonna feed them, I hope. And we should protect ourselves from mosquitoes right now. I think it's not gonna
help.
save us from it, but we will try anyway.
Maybe you, but not me for sure. Especially also the feet and legs.
Yeah. You want me to do your back?
African elephants have rounded heads, large ears, and weigh between 5 to 7 tons, whilst Asian elephants have a twin domed head, smaller, more rounded ears, and weigh between 3 to 5 tons. The Asian elephant.
Hey.
Thôi à? Đây không? We can do it for you. Really beautiful creatures. Okay, I will show you. This is a knife. We cut them to smaller pieces inside. Elephant can eat by their own. And elephant know everything very good. They know which part is yummy. Yeah. Elephant can eat the pineapple tree, but when she has choice, she snap the leaf off and she eat later. Right, this is elephant kitchen. Elephant can eat everything. We will feeding for different things, for different area. And we have 2 baskets. You can pull the basket. We will feeding each area, each plate, half of the basket. Okay. Everything you can take, everything different taste. You can make the mixed fruit basket. Okay. I cut at the same spot until it's break. Yeah. About this length. Yeah. 2 baskets. You can collect the food from the station. Yeah. And come to cut with carefully. Yeah. Thank you. Elephant is the best gardener. Whatever they're eating, the seed not been digested, they predominate the forest. Okay. Okay. Yeah, more of this. Yeah.
No pumpkin and no.
Not the hard ones. Yeah.
Pineapple, good.
I get a bit scared.
Lotus, she doesn't like pineapple. Okay. Okay, this which. Okay, this for baby. Yeah. And this for. Hey, how? Lên, Nam lên. Nói chuyện có mấy ngày đấy. Nam lên. Thôi mà, thôi mà. Rất là. She come to say bye. Okay. Okay, going to say goodbye to her. Okay. Bye bye Lotus. Enjoy the lovely day. ไปมาแล้วไปเราไปถูตัวเร็วไปลูกไปถูตัวเร็ว